Hello, the purpose of this video clip is just to demonstrate some of the differences between remote apps, remote desktop, and some of the things you can do with a hosted server. So, firstly, here's my desktop. I'm running Windows 7, but this could likewise be Windows XP, as long as you've got Server Pack 3, Windows Vista, or Windows 7. And likewise, remote desktop itself will run on a Mac and most other devices that you can think of, including devices such as mobile phones, iPhone. So, firstly, we've set up a demo server here at SW Users for you to use and to try this yourself. So I'm going to connect to that and show you some of the features. The details are all on our website, which is swcomputers.co.uk. And if we go onto the website and we go under the hosting option, you'll see some of the commonly hosted packages. If we have a look at QuickBooks, for example, you can see that in this area here, it's got the address to connect to, the username and passwords, so you can try it yourself. You can download the remote desktop shortcut for yourself, and you can also download the remote app. Now, if I download the remote app, save this download to desktop. Download it, it's only a 597 KB file, so very small, so you can email this to someone, which is what we'll send you when we set you up if you go for the solution. Okay, so now I've got this little installation package here on my desktop. If I just install that and run it, it will install, and you'll see it's here now on the start menu under remote programs. I'm just going to make a quick desktop shortcut, which it will do if it's the first time you've installed it, but I've already installed it and that was just showing the reinstallation process. So now we've got some other ones I've set up previously, which is QuickBooks, Saves Accounts 1 out of 10, the remote desktop itself, and that. So these are common, but again, you can remember you can do this for any Windows program if you want. So let's have a look. Let's fire up QuickBooks then. So the user would install, double click, follow any on-screen prompts, prompt view for the username and password, which I've already typed in and told it to save the username and password. And you can see now it's launched the remote app, so it's connected to the remote server, told the server to start QuickBooks. It's now not showing you the rest of what the server's doing, it's only showing you the application you've requested, and this is the case. It's QuickBooks, so QuickBooks will go through its normal login process. Here it is, QuickBooks Primary Accountant 2008, username, log on as that. Spread here. Okay, we're now into the program, just as if you're running locally. So you can see the program all looks and it responds very much like I was on the actual program. It works very well alongside local Internet Explorer here and the remote application here. That could easily be something like Word, which I've got installed on the computer. So I can have my copy of Word here, and I can be copying something down from the actual remote app. So it's quite good if this is a good way of doing it if you want to interact with your existing desktop. That's QuickBooks running now. I'll show you how it works with another program. For example, Sage 50. This is the 2010 edition. Okay, so open the demonstration data, logging, logged on there, let's look. Okay. Okay, so I'm logging into the practice data, which is a feature of Sage 2010. It's just basically a practice company you can work on. And as you can see, again, the program will work and respond just like it was programmed. You can see down here we've got QuickBooks running on the desktop and Sage alongside our local programs. So minimize it down, it says Sage Accounts. In brackets it will say remote, just so you know it's a remote program. Likewise, we do the same with that. So that's, again, it's 2010. Let's look on that. try this. So now I've been able to log on with the correct username and password. Here we've got a demo database set up. And you can see this is a nice new filter 2010 version. That's another video we can do. And we can work through the application just as if we were literally in front of the physical machine itself. This is a great way if you're out on the road, working in private offices, or we have people from all over the place who need to access the same live data. This way they can run their accounts package of their choice, and their CRM package, and then any other programs they wish to run. Be it a line of business application you particularly use. And they work just as remote apps. That really does, I think, explain remote app is it's just remote desktop, but it hides the rest of it. So to the end user yourselves, it just looks like the program you want to use, which just makes it much simpler. Okay, so have a look at the remote desktop now. Now, remote desktop is the traditional, what used to be called terminal services. Microsoft changed it recently, so if we actually have a look at this, I've actually got a shortcut on the desktop. So I'll just double click the shortcut and it already connects to the connection address. Desktop will now change. I'll minimize it down. So you can see, this is the remote desktop. It's got its own start button. And this is the local desktop down here. Maximize it up. Now as you can see, it does take over your desktop. So we need to consider that when we're working on it. This is more ideal for people that want to work on everything on remote. So because we've got the same shortcuts for the same programs that we're running before. If we just run them on here, they will work just like normal programs. So we can go into say don't together, so I can close it down. That's fine. You can actually what I showed you is Microsoft Office. Now, all our terminal service sessions, unless specifically asked for, we include Microsoft Office Enterprise Edition 2007, all licensed, on a monthly basis. So we've got Access, Excel, Groove, InfoPoint, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, Word, which are the common ones, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and Outlook, the ones we use. So let's have a look at Word. So this way you can actually store your Word and Office documents day to day on the server, and then access your Word documents and your PowerPoints and any other files you need wherever you are in the world, and like interact with them on a live basis. I can type into this remote, so there's hardly any delay in what I'm doing. I'm working remotely myself. You can run your programs and save everything on there. You can run your email programs, you can install anything. We've got the antivirus programs, we've got all the sort of standard issues, programs you would normally have, and then anything that's different to your business. That's remote desktop, and those are remote apps.